What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText.com, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and build a simple loyalty rewards program. The loyalty rewards program allows you to track points based on visit or dollar value of your customers' purchases. Once accumulated, you can then have automatic rewards show up on their phone via SMS or present on a loyalty tablet in your store. So let's head on over to SlickText. If you don't have an account with us already, go ahead and create one. I'm going to click on Go to Dashboard or Sign In. On the dashboard, we're going to head on over to the Marketing Tools tab. Inside the Marketing Tools tab, we're going to go to Loyalty Programs and click Manage Loyalty Programs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a brand new loyalty program and show you step by step what I put in there and how I set it up. On the next page here, we're going to go into Program Settings, step number 1. And this is where we add some details about our program. Now down here, you'll notice that it says, how will you reward people? Well, I want to reward people based on visits, all right? That means that when you come in, you punch in your phone number on the tablet, you earn 1 point. Now the second option here is, how much time do you want to pass between check-in? If you don't want people to check in more than once every 6 hours or 12 hours, you can set that up that way. If you want unlimited check-in, which could cause abuse, you could put a 0. It's important to note that every time somebody does check in and earn a point, an audible sound will play, such as a guitar strum. So I'm going to set this to 6 hours. All right, and it's either for all check-in screens or 6 hours per check-in screen. Now we go to step number 2, our reward offers. We're simply going to add our first offer here, and I'm going to pre-fill in some content real quick for us. We're going to do a 16-ounce coffee once they accumulate 10 points. Now what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on the clone option here and copy that down. I'm going to change the next one to 24 ounces. And we're just going to repeat this step for a couple more rewards. So there's all our rewards. Now obviously you guys can create as many as you want. Now let's go down to step number 3, check-in screens. You'll notice that there's nothing on the right side of the screen right now because we haven't actually created a check-in screen. But that's going to populate here in just a moment. The first one I'm going to create is for my first store. We'll use this one for our Jamestown, New York store. This is really important here. When you select yes for this option, not only will you add them to your loyalty program, but you will also subscribe them to a text word list. That means that you'll have the ability to send recurring text messages to your entire list of subscribers once they opt in. So I'm going to go ahead and subscribe all the contacts that opt in and confirm yes to receive text messages to my Menchie's text word. This will mean I'll have one main list for all my subscribers, but I'll have 2 individual loyalty programs separated based on location. When people do enter their phone number here or text to join your program, they're going to receive a confirmation text. We're automatically going to insert their name and also tell them how many points they've earned. This template is great, I would stick to it. Now down here, we can change the main heading of the loyalty program. All right, we got some fine print at the bottom. Now we're gonna add our logo, and we'll go ahead and customize our colors. I'll make the background white, the text color a vibrant purple, that's your fine print, and now we're gonna customize the actual button color itself. Now let's go down to the next step. Okay, we have our first tablet screen created. Now we have 2 locations, so I'm simply going to clone this tablet and we're going to change the content. This one is going to be for our Erie, PA location. We are going to subscribe these people to our Menchie's list just like our other one. We're going to leave all the content the same. All the logos, everything is going to look pretty much the same. All right, so now we have our 2 tablets created, one for Jamestown, New York, one for Erie, Pennsylvania. Now let's go down to step number 4, SMS updates. You have the options to customize how they're notified about rewards and points. The first one here is based on points. If they earn a point, do we want to send a text message to them? Yes or no? I don't want to use that option. The only option I want to use is when they earn a point and a reward is earned. It has to match those 2. Now, what are all these fancy merge tags in here? So this will insert first name, this will insert their balance, and this will insert an automatic member link where they can click to see what rewards they have earned. Let's go ahead and create this loyalty program. Just hit Save Program. Let's just go ahead and review our program settings. Okay, so there's the loyalty program that I just created. On the right side here, we're going to click on Options and View Check-in Screens. You can also view your members, add, subtract points there, view analytics, clone your program, edit your program, or delete it. We're going to go ahead and view our check-in screens. On the next screen here, you're going to be prompted to download our app because it's the most secure way to launch the loyalty program without having to worry about abuse. Alright, so here's my tablet screen. We're going to go ahead and make sure we download the SlickText app, available in the Android or iOS App Store. Tap on the SlickText icon, and we're going to go ahead and log into our account. Once you get logged into your app, you're going to see your dashboard. Now we're going to go over to the Marketing Tools tab. We're going to click on Manage Loyalty Programs. Next, on this screen, we're going to click on Options and go ahead and view check-in screens. Now remember, we're pretending to be in the Jamestown, New York location, so we're going to launch the Jamestown, New York tablet screen from this tablet. So click on Launch Screen. Now we're into the loyalty program. When you first launch your loyalty program, it's going to explain how the points work and how to get out of your program. This screen is just for the merchant. This reminds you that you can tap on the star symbol to start over anytime. You can tap on the hot corners to either exit and go back to your SlickText dashboard or reload the tablet screen at any moment. All right, we're going to close it. Now we're into the program and it is consumer facing at this point, or it could be merchant facing depending on how you want to start. When a customer comes up to the counter, you're going to say, hey, would you like to earn a point and a free coupon today to join our mobile club? Absolutely. You'll go ahead and punch in their phone number or have the customer punch it in for the first time. Then hit check-in. On the next page, they'll confirm their number. If it's wrong, just go back and re-enter. All right, looks good. Let's add my first name. Complete sign up. And I've earned a point. Now at the same time, on my phone, I received a text message asking me to confirm my mobile number. So I'm just going to go ahead and reply yes and confirm. This is going to opt me into recurring text messaging if you ever want to send a blast to all of your subscribers. Once I reply yes, I'll receive an auto reply back to confirm I've joined and receive my first point and reward. There it is. But now let's go ahead and let's check in for the second time. So on the tablet here, we're going to punch in my number again. And remember, I set this up not to allow folks to sign in more than once within 6 hours. All right? When they try to do that, an audible sound, like a guitar strum, will play. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we earn a reward. Now, in my next check-in, I'm going to have the ability to either redeem a reward or to gain another point and save them. I've made an edit so that it is only going to take 2 points to earn my first reward. So I'm going to go ahead and check in again. And now I have an offer to redeem. You can see the 4 offers that we loaded in there earlier, and we notice that 3 of them are shaded out. I only have enough points to redeem the first one. I can either redeem it or I can save it for later. I'll go ahead and save it for later. Now I've earned my 3rd point. Now as I check in again, I can go ahead and redeem my offer, or I can save it for later. I'm going to go ahead and redeem my offer. Once an offer is redeemed, it'll be removed from their offers page and their members link if they try to check their balance. You'll also hear an audible sound as a guitar strum when they successfully redeem a reward. Now we're done. Back to the rewards tablet screen. We're ready to check in our next customer. So now let's go back inside our SlickText account and see where our subscribers and members are going. Let's head back over to the Marketing Tools tab, back into Manage Loyalty Programs. Let's go ahead and check out that member. All right, Options, View Member. And there we go. Bobby, his phone number, he has a balance of 1 point, and this is when he joined. We can also manage this member and delete this member from our program. Let's go ahead and manage them. On the right side, you'll see all their actions, when they joined, how many points they earned. You can also edit these actions. You can give them more points or take points away. On the left side here, you can update their first name or change their phone number if you had to. Now remember that with my loyalty program, I was also opting people into a text list as well. That means I can send a blast to everybody on that list, send out birthday offers and recurring messaging. Where do we see those subscribers? Well, you'll see those subscribers on your text words page for the text word that you created. Remember that I created Menchie's. On the right side of Menchie's, we'll see that there's one contact in that list. Back on the My Loyalty Programs page, now let's check out the analytics for your loyalty program. We viewed the members, we launched a check-in screen. Now let's take a look at the analytics for our program. Of course, we want to make sure we select a date range. So let's just select a couple date ranges here. And we can see that one new member has joined our loyalty program. They earned 3 points, which is accurate. I redeemed for 2. 1 reward was redeemed, and I checked in 4 times. So looking at these graphs down here, we can see that nobody has checked in for the Erie, PA location. It's all been Jamestown. There's been 1 redemption for the first reward, 16 ounce, and we can see the actions of these members. Let's go back over to the Marketing Tools tab into our loyalty program, and everything else here is going to be pretty self-explanatory. And that's how you use our loyalty program here at SlickText.com. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you soon.